Hello, my name is Megan Chick. In this Screencastomatic, you will be getting a preview of my mock classroom website I created using Google Sites. On the home page, you will find a paragraph explaining what my website includes. Below the paragraph are pictures of my classroom. For my About Me page, you will learn about where I grew up and how I teach at the school I went to and where I received my education. My name is Megan Chick, and I have been a second grade teacher at Cherry Avenue Elementary School for 3 years now. I grew up right here in West Sayville and attended Cherry Avenue, Sayville Middle School, and Sayville High School. I graduated from SUNY Oneonta in 2020, where I earned my bachelor's degree in childhood education. After receiving my bachelor's degree, I received my master's degree in English as a second language at St. Joseph's College on Long Island. I have worked with children of all ages my whole life and can't wait to share my passion with my students. A little more about me. When I'm not teaching, I enjoy spending time with my family, friends, and dogs. My favorite place to be any time of the year is in Montauk. My family has been going out there since I was born. My hobbies include working out, going on adventures, trying new things, and reading. My favorite books to read are The Giver and The Bridge to Terabithia. This is a picture of the Montauk Lighthouse. During the summer, I bike there every day when I'm on vacation. When you go to the tab under the About Me, you will find my contact information along with the school's contact information. Here is my cell phone number, my home phone number, and my email, which is the best way to contact me. Here is the school information, our address, and our phone number. On the Students Corner page, you will find our daily schedule, our assignments, and our class materials. Our daily schedule will be the same each week. Monday will be art, Tuesday will be gym, Wednesday will be library, and Thursday will be music, and Friday will be gym again. On the days we have gym, make sure your children are wearing sneakers. Our weekly assignments include 2 math worksheets and a reading comprehension worksheet and our spelling words of the week. For this week, we have money and words, playing catch, reading comprehension, counting money, the 4 common coins plus $1 bills, and our spelling list for this Thursday's spelling test will be CH family words. On this page, you will find our class materials that each student will need throughout the year. This includes 2 marble notebooks, 5 pocket folders, 1 pack of Crayola colored pencils, 1 pack of Crayola crayons, 24 pack of number 2 pencils, 2 pink erasers, 1 pack of Crayola washable markers, 1 box of tissues, 1 package of baby wipes, 1 Elmer's glue bottle and 1 glue stick, pencil case, 2 highlighters, and hand sanitizer. On the Parents Corner, you will find our monthly newsletter, important dates, and frequently asked questions. For each month, I will be posting a newsletter on my website as well as handing one out in class. On the newsletter, you will find important dates, information about upcoming events, and reminders of when tests and quizzes are. December newsletter, Miss Schick's second grade class. Here is our school contact information along with my email. Here is our special schedule along with birthdays this month and information about our upcoming field trip to our local theater to see the play Frosty the Snowman. Permission slips will be due December 9th. Here is a QR code for a snowman cupcake recipe. Here is our calendar. On this calendar, you will see I have the birthdays of the month and important dates like half days for parent-teacher conferences, our class field trip December 13th, our holiday class party the 20th, and our winter recess when we don't have school. Below the newsletter tab, we have the important date tab. Dates to remember. December 5th and 6th, we have half days for school for parent-teacher conferences. December 9th, permission slips are due for class field trip. December 12th, we have a PTA holiday boutique. Send money or check with your child so they could buy gifts for you and your family. December 13th, we have a class field trip to the local theater for Frosty the Snowman. December 20th, we will be having our class party. December 23rd to January 3rd is winter recess and school is closed. I hope everyone has a happy, healthy, and safe holiday season. I can't wait to see what the new year will bring. Here is our frequently asked question tab. These are a few questions I've been asked and decided to put on my website. What is the best way to communicate with Miss Schick? The best way to communicate with me would be by email, by phone, or by writing a note and giving it to your child to bring to school. How do I help my child succeed this year? The most important way you can help your child succeed this year is to be involved. You can help your child succeed by supporting them and pushing them in the right direction. Show them that learning is fun and help motivate them to complete all of their assignments in and outside the classroom. A great way to help them is by encouraging them through every material they are learning. How important is attendance? If your child is absent from school, they're expected to make up any work they missed by the following week. This website I created is updated weekly, so all assignments and homework can be found here. If you know in advance that your child is going to be absent, please let me know ahead of time so I could gather the materials. Please make sure your child is not repeatedly absent or they will begin to fall behind and be at risk of falling below grade level. Do you offer extra help? Yes, I could always come in an hour early or stay after school if needed to help your child. I am very flexible with my schedule and will always be available to help your child succeed. How can I help my child who is struggling academically? It is my number one priority to make sure every single one of my students is succeeding in my classroom. If I notice a child is falling behind in class, I will contact the parent so the child could either come to school for extra help or I can give more assignments to help them or tutor them. As stated in the question above, I am always available for extra help and tutoring. A few of our class projects of the month. This is where you can find any current class or upcoming projects. In class this month, we will be creating snowmans using egg cartons, googly eyes, felt for a scarf, buttons, and we will be cutting a nose from cardstock paper, pipe cleaners, and glue 2 pom-pom balls to the ends of it to create earmuffs. Another class project we will be doing this month is the winter mindfulness activity. Students will participate in a mindfulness activity to explore joy and warmth through their senses, use their mindfulness script included to lead students through the exercise and reflect on their experiences of joy or warmth in their hearts. Students then create a hot cocoa craft and identify things that bring them joy. For this class project, we watched a storybook video for Penguin by Polly Dunbar. After watching this video, we created our own take on the penguin. So if you guys want to watch it at home, I included the video.
Ben ripped open his present. Inside was a penguin.
I'm not going to play it all just because it's kind of long, but here are the crafts that we will be creating in my classroom. Anyone could do whatever they want with the penguin. They can make it their own unique penguin. Here are some quick links of some educational websites that I think are the best for my students. We have websites like Starful, Funbrain, Cool Math, PBS Kids, Huda Math, Khan Academy, Kids National Geographic, and BBC History for Kids. And all you have to do is just click on the link and you will be directed to each website. This one's taking a little bit to load. Yeah, so then that's it. And another one. This is one of my favorite math websites for kids to help teach them. Finally, we have our school website. If you click the link, it will take you right there. Right there. And here is our website, Cherry Avenue Elementary School. Here you can find anything you need to know and what's going on in our schools. Okay, well, thank you so much for viewing my classroom website, and I hope you guys enjoyed.